All right, let's get going with the next question, people. There we go. Thank you very much. Nikki, could you read it out for us?
Question 1, 2.
Yeah.
I do.
Michelle?
Michelle wants to buy a new car and takes out a loan of $75,000 at 8.3% per annum interest charged monthly. She plans to have the loan fully paid off after 4 years.
All right. How do we work out the monthly repayments? NIPV. What's next? What's next? What's next? Good. I asked you to remember it from memory. You're getting there. Good. Tanya, what would I put for my N? You said 48? Yeah, 48. 4 times 12. Good. 4 times 12. Interest, 8.3%. Adam, what would my PV be?
PV will be 75,000.
Good. Positive. Let's go. Good. We're together. We're staying together. Let's stay together. Can you punch this into your calculator, please? Or carefully type it into your calculator? I was so proud of our team today at the netball. I will not mention the person's name, but one person in the boys' team got quite collected by one of the defenders. It looked more so like football rather than netball. And our person on our team showed great grace in withholding their aggression towards the person. I was very proud. Basically, I think that's what they wanted to do, but they didn't do it. They did such a good job.
Was it our year level?
It was someone in our year level, yeah. I will not mention their name. All right. Did you get $1,841? 55 cents?
Yep.
Okay, good. Total interest that Michelle pays on the loan. How do we work out total interest? What's the formula? PMT times by N, subtract.
The 75.
Yeah, the starting balance. So 1841.55 times 48 takes 75 grand. Thank you for carefully typing that into your calculator. We don't want any punching happening in our calculator. Did you get 13,394? See some thumbs up. Nice. Oh, here's a new question. That's a lot of interest, isn't it? Yeah, if you think about it, that's a lot of interest. That's 13 grand. You could do a lot with 13 grand. But, yeah. Life gets better than that. What is the outstanding balance after 2 years of repaying it? How do we work out the outstanding balance? Would outstanding balance be PV? Would it be PMT? Or would it be FV? The outstanding balance is an amount in the future, isn't it? So we're just solving...
Just calculate it for the 2024 instead of...
Yeah, good. So change. Let's change N to being 2 times 12. And what do we solve for? Solve for? Good. So can you do that in your calculator, please? Change your N. It's halfway through, so wouldn't halfway through it be exactly halfway through the loan amount? That'd be right, wouldn't it? Half of 75 grand. So that's halfway through the loan term. I got 40,594. Did you get that? Hang on, but it's halfway through the loan term. Wouldn't halfway through the loan term you have paid half of the loan off? What's half of 75 grand? Half of 75 grand isn't 40 grand. It's like 37 and a half, isn't it? Why is more than half of it owed and you're halfway through? What do you think, Mark? Because of the interest, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. Can anyone explain it further? Can you have a try explaining it a bit further? Have a go. Maybe talk to me about interest charged in the first half of the loan compared to interest charged in the second half of the loan.
I guess the interest in the first half of the loan would be a lot higher than at the ends because less of the principal was paid off.
Nice. Yeah, well explained. Yeah. So if we were to graph it, if this is dollars and this is time, does our graph of our loan repayments look like this? Like the balance of the loan, is it a straight line? Does it look like that? Our balance, it's going down, isn't it? But it doesn't decrease at a consistent rate, does it?
It's more like
Is it this here?
exponential.
Or is it this here?
I think that one.
I wonder which one it is.
Can I vote?
Do we agree it's not this middle one?
I vote the green top line
Why would it be the green top line?
because I just guessed. I think it is that one.
So you're saying at the start the balance slowly decreases and then after time it decreases at a faster rate?
Yeah.
Or does it drop heaps at the start and then slowly reduce? It's this top one, isn't it? Can you have a go at sketching that graph yourself? Time, balance, and sketch that curve. Sketch that curve. All right, D. We're ready for the next question? What do I need to change?
Forgot to add the X and Y values on.
Oh, so like writing X and Y, is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Nice, thank you. We want good communication. Okay. Suppose after 2 years the interest rate changes to 5.3%, calculate the new monthly repayment. How would we work out the new monthly repayment? Let's fill in all our values here. PY and CY are still 12. Huh? What's our N? 2 times 12 because there's still 2 years left. What's our I going to be? Nice, 5.3%. What's our present value?
Well, it's halfway, right? So
Halfway? Yeah.
it's 37.5.
No, it's not. Because remember, interest is charged on the outstanding balance.
It's 40.
That 40 number, what's that number from the previous question?
1,500.
Point.
0.7.
0.70, is it? 0.73? 0.73? Great, yeah. PMT's question mark, FV is 0. Let's work out our new monthly repayment. Do you reckon it's going to be higher or lower than what we had before?
Lower.
Why is it going to be lower?
After 2 years.
Because it's after 2 years?
Because the interest rate is lower.
Because the interest rate is lower. Good. So I got 1786. Did you get 1786.41? Did you get that? Good. Next question. Calculate the new interest paid, assuming the interest rate remains constant for the remainder of the loan. So what's our new total interest? Now there's two different repayments here, isn't there? So do we need to firstly work out what the total repayment is? Total repaid minus starting balance. So it's always the total repaid, take away the starting balance. But what was our total repaid? Well, at the start, we paid 24 monthly payments of, I've lost it from my screen, but it was 1,900 and... Sorry, 1841, thank you. Plus another 24 payments of 1786.41. Do you agree? Minus what? 75. Good. Let's work it out. What's our total? I got $12,071. Did you get 12 grand? I can see a nod. Did you get 12 grand, Flynn?
Yes.
Compare your answer E with part B and explain the difference. So let's compare. Can we play compare the pair? Has it gone up or has it gone down? Sareem's saying it's down. So it's decreased. Why has it decreased?
Because the interest is less.
Good. So we could say total interest has decreased because the interest rate decreased. Now we could actually calculate exactly how much difference there was there too, couldn't we? That'd be a way of comparing. Ready for the next question? I reckon you could have a go at this one by yourself now. I reckon you have a go. If you're not feeling super confident, do it with your partner. All right? Next question, question 3, which is Lachlan. He's buying a house. I want you to have a go either by yourself or with your partner next to you. All right? And I'll do the answers on the board so you can check them. All right? All right? It was weirdly stapled today. Yeah. It was weird. I apologise for why it was weirdly stapled. I did nothing different. Yeah. Have a go at the next question.